Hello everybody, this is Khosi, editor of Drum Magazine. As you now know, last week we had our first Drum Darlings Awards, which were held in Birchwood. Thanks to everybody who voted. As you may know, Lira was voted by you as our first ever Drum Darling of the year. We also had a few surprising winners which you voted for. So here's a video of Lira giving her thanks to you. Enjoy.
I'm Lira and I have the privilege and honor of becoming the first overall Drum Darling winner for 2013. Such an incredible honor, to be celebrated for representing excellence, humility and ubuntu. I think one thrives to reflect what it is to be a South African in today's day and age. And the drum has always celebrated that, our heritage, our triumphs, our greatness. And this is a really big deal. I really appreciate it. Thank you to everyone that voted. Thank you for Drum for always giving us a platform to tell our stories and of course get the word out there about what we're doing. Much appreciated.